With over 1 billion people using Messenger, chances are your website visitors or customers are already on Messenger. Hi, I'm Sunday. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to add a Facebook Messenger chat button to your WordPress website so your website visitors or customers can easily interact with you using their Messenger account. Ready? Let's get started. Alright, so go ahead and log in to your WordPress dashboard. Now, before we dive into setting up the Messenger chat button, let me quickly point out that you're going to need a Facebook page to be able to do this. Now, Facebook page is different from a Facebook user account. You're going to need a business page. So if you don't have a Facebook page for your website or your business, you want to create a Facebook page. Now, to creating a Facebook page is quite simple. All you need to do is to log into your Facebook account, and you're going to see this create button up here. Just click on create and then select page, which happens to be the first option, and then just fill in a name for your page. It could be the name of your business or the name of your website. That's just it. All right, so I'm going to leave the page options. This is not a tutorial on how to create a Facebook page, but if you're here, what you need to do is to select what applies to your page. If it's a business, you just select business, and then you click get started. You just ask for the page name. That's just how simple it is. All right, so I already have a Facebook page created for myself. This is my official Facebook page. So I'm going to be using this to set up the Messenger chat button. So go ahead and log into your WordPress dashboard and go to plugins. We are going to be using the Messenger plugin for this. All right, so just go ahead and search for Messenger customer chat. And then you're going to see Messenger customer chat plugin by Facebook. Make sure you're going for the one by Facebook. Go ahead and click install now and give it some few seconds to load, and click activate once the installation finishes. Great. Now once it's activated, you want to scroll down and then you look at the left hand side of your screen where we have the menu items, and then you're going to see customer chat. Go ahead and click on it. The next thing you want to do is to click on set up customer chat here under getting started. So go ahead and click on set up customer chat and give it some seconds to load. It's going to show you this setup screen right here. Now it's going to ask you to select the page you want to integrate this with. Like I said earlier, this requires you to have a Facebook page. So go ahead and click. If you have several pages, you have to scroll down and find your page. So I have a couple of pages. I'm just going to scroll down and select my official Facebook page, which is this. Once you've selected the page, you want to click on continue, and then you're going to see this page. You want to click on next, and then it's going to give you this page. For here, what you want to do is to choose your default language. You can choose whatever language you want. I'm good with English, so I'm going to leave it at this. It also allows you to customize the default greeting text. You can see if the default greeting says, hi, how can we help you? So you can click on change, and then you can edit that to whatever it is you want. But I'm cool with this, so I'll just click on save. But if for any reason you would like to change this text here, just type in what you want here, and then go ahead and click save to save your changes. Now, once you've done that, the next thing you want to do is to click on next. And this page allows you to choose a color for the icon and the message. So if you don't like the normal official color, you can turn on custom colors by just clicking on this button here, and then it's just going to give you the color box, so you can click on it and then select whatever color you like. Red, green, you can see it changing whatever color you like. But I'm okay with the official color, so I'm just going to turn this off, and then I'm just going to click on finish. All right, so at times you may see this, there was a problem while saving your changes. I've come across this a couple of times. What you want to do is to just go and click back, and then click on finish again, and you say thanks for setting up the customer chat plugin. So if you see that error, remember, just do back and then click on finish again. That's just how simple it is. Once you've seen this, thanks for setting up the customer chat plugin, the next thing you want to do is to click on done, and it's going to take you back to your WordPress dashboard, and Facebook is going to automatically add the code it needs to run this, inputting your Facebook page ID and the rest. Once you've seen this, the next thing you just want to do is to click on save changes to save your changes. Now, if you go ahead and view your website, you're going to see that the messenger chat button is going to come up right here. So this is it. So now, one of the key advantages of this is that user don't have to fill in their email, their name, or any information to start chatting. So once they are logged into Messenger, which most people normally are, they're just going to see continue chatting as Sunday, so they can just click continue, and it's just going to allow them to start chatting with you. So they can send a message, hi, and you'll be able to see this message in your Facebook page. So once you go back to your page on Facebook, you're going to see inbox option here, and then you'll be able to see. All right, you can see the message I sent to myself right there. Now, one of the key benefits of this is that you can always see the chat history over time. So all the messages that customer have sent to you over time, you're going to see it in the chat history, and you can always click any of the customers and quickly message them or respond to their messages. So if I go back to the site, you're going to see. All right, so you can see our message right here. So that's how to set up the Facebook Messenger chat button on your WordPress website. If you find this video useful, go ahead and like it, share with your friends, and do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the bell icon so you'll be notified whenever I upload new videos like this. Thank you for watching.